And we were about to be rewarded for our patience over the last couple of days with that colder air that moved into the area, because now some warm weather ahead.
Yeah, we're going to be dialing back the calendar to say mid and late September, Patrick. So some great weather ahead for getting outdoors. You know, one reminder that it's still November, that's sunset time.
True.
4:35 this afternoon. So yeah, the early afternoon will be the time where we're going to see the warmest temperatures each day. Let's take a look at the current conditions in East Providence. We've got a mix of clouds and sunshine. You can see some of that low cloud cover blocking our sunshine this morning in North Kingstown. There is good news. That doesn't last all day long. It's already starting to clear out in some spots. We've got a warm stretch ahead with skies turning mostly sunny today, leading our three key things. And there's not much rain in that 7 day. I showed you just a little bit ago that our next chance of rain isn't until late in the day next Wednesday. And then we're tracking Ada, and this storm is still over Central America. It's going to get back into the Caribbean, and as it does, it's going to regain some strength and potentially bringing some rain and some gusty winds to parts of southern Florida, and we'll show you that in the 7 day forecast. Outside right now, warm start to the day for November. Middle 50s in Providence, already to the upper 50s in Westerly and Newport. This is very close to what our normal high temperature is for the day, and it's a huge jump from yesterday morning. We are 20 to 25 degrees warmer than yesterday at this time. Now, if you're a fan of the warmer weather, you can thank the winds. They're out of the southwest. They're pumping in the milder air for us. They do turn breezy. So we're looking at sustained winds at about 10 to 15 miles per hour from late morning through the afternoon hours. We'll get a few gusts to 25 miles per hour. So it's a breezy day. The low clouds, the fog continuing to clear out. We should be into the lower and middle 60s by 10 o'clock in the morning and upper 60s at 2 in the afternoon for Providence and Taunton. A few degrees cooler along the coastline where the winds will be off of the water again. 5 o'clock this evening, still above 60 degrees in many spots. As the night rolls on, some clouds roll in, and those clouds could bring a little bit of drizzle, mist, or some sprinkles to the Cape and Islands particularly. And we wake up to that on Friday morning. Once again, like we're going to be seeing this morning, those low clouds and the fog don't last all day. They'll clear out, and we'll finish the day Friday with more sunshine. Big area, high pressure blocking any stormy weather from coming our way. And with that continued southwest wind, we're going to continue to see those above average temperatures, and that lasts right into the middle of next week. Here is where we're tracking Ada now. That big high blocking this storm from lifting northward. So here's where it's going to be. It'll push eventually into the Caribbean and then potentially across Cuba. From there, it's forced to sort of wrap around more westward. And as it does, and it's in those warm waters of the Florida Straits and then potentially into the Gulf of Mexico, we expect it to strengthen. So by early next work week, back to 65-mile-an-hour sustained winds. That's up from the tropical depression strength it's at right now with 30-mile-an-hour sustained winds. 7 day forecast. Look at our stretch of weather here. Upper 60s today, tomorrow. Another mild and breezy day. Again, we begin with cloud cover. That lasts into the late morning, but the afternoon looks sunny and warm. And Saturday's sunny from start to finish. Winds are a little lighter than the next 2 days. We're mild and clear into the evening hours after hitting a high near 70. Sunday looking warmer than normal as well, into the upper 60s in the afternoon. Your forecast anytime